Hello and welcome to English Skills 2024. In this lesson, I'll show you how to ask and answer questions using Would You Like. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell button. Let's get started.
Master English Skills 2024.
Conversation.
Lesson 7.
The explain.
Television.
Would you like a television?
Yes, I'd like a television.
Exercise.
Bath.
Would you like a bath?
Yes, I'd like a bath. Shower.
Would you like a shower?
Yes, I'd like a shower. Cup of tea.
Would you like a cup of tea?
Yes, I'd like a cup of tea. Piece of cake.
Would you like a piece of cake?
Yes, I'd like a piece of cake. Glass of water.
Would you like a glass of water?
Yes, I'd like a glass of water.
Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell button.